In this video, we'll discuss the different kinds of rights. So, out of the different kinds of rights, the first category would be perfect and imperfect rights. So, those rights which are provided by state under the laws and which could be enforceable in court of laws are considered as perfect rights. So such rights are those like law of contract, law of property, and the fundamental rights which could be enforceable in court of law. And those imperfect rights, even though they are legal rights, but they could not be enforceable in court of law. Although these rights are provided by state either under constitution or under ordinary laws. And such rights as we found under Indian Constitution are those provided under Part 4th of the Constitution, and that is the directive principles of state policy. And the second category of rights are the positive rights and the negative rights. And as to positive rights, those which enable its holder to compel other person to abide by the terms he has agreed to abide. The right of a creditor to receive money from his debtor falls under positive right. And regarding negative rights, which compels a person not to do certain things. And our third category would be rights in-rem and rights in-personam. Regarding rights in-rem under Roman law, rights available against the entire world as such right to one's ownership and possession of land, house, sole possession, ownership, and personal safety, freedom, and custody of wife and child from any kind of abduction. So this is what exactly right in-rem means, and as it is provided under Roman law. And regarding right in-personam, those rights available against a definite or specified person, like the creditor's rights against the debtor and the servant's right to wage against the master, etc. And all these kinds of rights fall under right in personam. And our fourth category, and that is regarding proprietary rights and personal rights. So when it is the question of proprietary rights, these rights are in relation to property, as such things or assets in possession and ownership are considered as proprietary rights. And regarding personal rights, these rights to one's persons is reputation, character, even his body as such, character, reputation, status, or liberty. So these rights falls under personal rights. But we found a difference between proprietary rights and personal rights. The difference is that while proprietary rights is transferable, but personal rights could not be transferable.